gentlemen, today we are making a new yummy recipe. This is special for winter. It is called hot chocolate, and this is a drink, not an eating dish. So yeah, let's begin with our first ingredients. Cooking chocolate 2 tablespoons. Moving on, sugar 2 tablespoons or as your taste. Next, cocoa powder 2 tablespoons. Cream 2 tablespoons. Corn flour 2 tablespoons. Moving on, milk half liter. Few drops of vanilla essence. Last ingredient, this is optional. It's Nutella. You can have 1 tablespoon if you want. If you are a chocolate lover like me, you should definitely add this. Like, look at it. Look at it closely, guys. Look at it. So, guys, now we will add a little tiny bit of milk. Just because we're making like a sauce type of thing. Now the cocoa powder. Cooking chocolate goes in, and now for our delicious old cremo. That's yummy and a thick cream, thick. Mix it, and finally just add the 1 teaspoon of Nutella. It's optional. I told you before, like 100 times, 100 times, 1 time. Let's move on. Alright, that goes our Nutella. Nice. That looks so thick and creamy and chocolatey. Get it? Now we'll just add a bit more milk because this is a bit thick, too thick for comfort. So yeah, and we'll just a bit mix it. Mixy. And just make it a bit, watery, chocolate thingy. So this is a really nice sauce, if you ask me. Yeah. I just shake it, wisp it, wispy. And of course, we're cooking on low flame. So it doesn't burn or anything. So guys, we have been whisking it for about 2 minutes. So yes, you have to whisk it because if you leave it, it's gonna burn, and that's bad. So we have mixed it so nice. As you can see, nothing is like gone, like staying. So now we'll just add more milk, more milk. And now this is our the chocolate milk. Ready? Sugar. Now we'll add our sugar. You guys must be thinking, this is so sugary. Why are you adding more sugar? It's because when you even make this dish, when you add the cocoa and the cooking chocolate, it doesn't make sugary. It makes a bit dark chocolate because we added dark chocolate, and the cocoa doesn't taste that good. So yeah, sugar is necessary. Now we'll put some milk and mix our corn flour. As you can see, our corn flour is mixed really nicely, and now let's move on. Hot milk is boiling. Now it's time to add our corn flour. Let's add our corn flour. Now it's perfectly thick and nice, and now just cook it for just about 1 minute or 2 minutes. Now let's add it in our tiny glasses. These glasses are meant for hot cocoa only. Look at it. Mouth-watering hot cocoa. Especially, it is my choice. Let's have marshmallow. And I just want to say that, guys, you should drink this at night because this is about to keep you warm in the morning. This is perfect to warm up your day. Okay guys, now you sprinkle some chocolate, just for the yummy looks. And now guys, if you like this video, subscribe, leave a like, and don't forget to hit that notification bar. And Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video.